I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the router is on and broadcasting an SSID you recognize. Open your computer's network menu and make sure the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. This lets the system scan for signals. Once done, select the correct SSID and enter the network password exactly as shown. Passwords are case sensitive. If you don't see the network, make sure you're within range and that the router isn't set to hide the SSID. After selecting the SSID, you'll often be prompted to choose a security method or accept a certificate. Accept valid certificates and prefer WPA2 or WPA3 for security. Enter the password and wait for the authentication process. This exchanges keys so traffic is encrypted. Next, pick the network profile. Choose private at home for device discovery, public for untrusted places. Make sure IP set. Once connected, test internet access by loading a web page and checking signal strength. A slow site doesn't always mean no connection, so run a speed test if needed. If there's no connectivity, restart the Wi-Fi adapter and the router. Simple reboots often resolve DHCP or handshake failures. Make sure to run your operating system's network troubleshooter for detailed diagnostics. If problems persist, verify SSID and password. Update wireless drivers and confirm your ISP has no outage, because one of these is usually the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.